Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Amerock number 9765. This is a cabinet catch, is what this is. It's a very versatile cabinet catch in the sense that it contains right out of the package the 3 strike plates that you could end up needing. There is a description below this video, and we're going to touch on that here in a moment. First of all, well, let's just touch on it now as we're looking at the product. You've got this model is going to be white in finish, double pull. Pull force is 5 pounds. Now, the Amerock catalog specifies the pull force to between 5 and 11 pounds. I do not know how they're coming up with that range, except that the angle by which a magnet and its strike plate will make contact can vary the amount of force required. But this is, let's just assume that this is 5 pounds. And as I apply the plate to it, it doesn't seem extraordinarily high. So I would guess that 5 pounds would be accurate. Magnet housing, let's touch on some dimensional properties. They have it as at 1 5/16. That is indeed the case for the length. They have the width of this at 3/4 inch. And then the height, they have it at 11/16. I'm going to say we're a bit shy on that, that's for sure. Closer to 5/8 perhaps. Okay. Now, you're going to get 3 different strike plates with this material. You're going to get a flat strike plate for an inset application. That is going to be where you have a door that is going to be partially overlapping with a route around the perimeter, so that part of the door is actually in the opening. And they say that the flat strike is pretty appropriate for that because you can get this mounted down to where you need it to be in your sort of installation, okay, with this strike. Then they have an L-shaped for overlay. Overlay is going to be where you have the door completely on top of the face structure. And they're saying that the L-shaped is the appropriate one for that sort of installation. And then finally, you have the full inset where the door is flush with the exterior casework. And then they are going to provide the Z-shaped strike for that as well. Let's touch on quickly the dimensional properties of these strikes. The flat, they have an inch and, inch and an eighth wide. That makes sense. That's accurate. The length is about 1 9/16. Must be a typo there. The L-shaped strike, about 7/8 in this dimension. Height of it, about 1 1/16. Projection, 13/16 of an inch. Then that Z-shaped model. Overall, about 1 1/2 inches. Height, 1 1/8. Gauge the offset that's there. About 11/16, something in that range, when you account for the thickness of one of the 2 pieces. Then again, white finish. This is going to be available in different colors on the body. You'll be able to do this in the 3W, which is white. Okay. Then also in a PT finish, which is going to be, or a 3PT they'll call it, with this magnet, which is plastic tan. So 3W is white, 3PT is plastic tan. Now the balance of the extended description provides really no other important information regarding the material itself. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full Amerock product catalog, and that's very handy, and quite frankly it's a difficult document to come by, but it's there. All the cabinet hardware, of course, Amerock, the name is synonymous with cabinet hardware. Very comprehensive offering. If you have any questions on the Amerock 9765 3W cabinet magnetic catch or any other Amerock product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.